What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I like to find those gems that may have a ton of upside to it. A team that seems to be working tirelessly on improving what they have and what they have to bring to the table. Well, VoluMint is one of those plays that I think definitely has a lot of opportunity with it. And you could be very bullish going into this as we see more bullish momentum, as we see the bull market, as we see more people that are getting into cryptocurrency. You're starting to see the opportunity that they can provide. Now, we're going to get into a lot of the detail of, what VoluMint is, as well as go into the Twitter account. And also, we can go into the chart to look at what it's all about and what has really, if it has been moving and which direction it has been moving as of the time that it has been available. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links that are down below, feel free to check out those links. They do help out the channel, as well as you can check out a lot of VoluMint's links down below. And you can go and research it yourself, because I always like people to research the projects for themselves before you decide to buy into it. Just because I see something that's bullish, it doesn't mean that you have to see it as bullish as well. You have to look into it for yourself and see, hey, what do I want to risk into this play? Because anything does have some form of risk to it. But when things have a lot of upside, you can be very bullish on those things. So, VoluMint, here is the website for what it looks like. VoluMint, enhance your market presence with VoluMint. AI automated market making service. Now this is big, right? Because it's a lot of keywords that people love, which is AI. It's all about artificial intelligence right now. I just saw something that was shared to me that basically is the top performing like market or sector that we're going to see for the bull run. It was listed in 2023 but moving into 2024, and it was talking about AI or artificial intelligence being at the top of that list, which is crazy because I typically would see, like, as you saw the last bull market, it was metaverse that was all around the top, and now it's AI, artificial intelligence, chat GPT, Grok, chatbot, things like that. So just to give you a little bit of information right before you have to get into that, it is available on Uniswap and MEXC, which we will get into that as well. But just a little bit more information. So VoluMint offers a bunch of different things: decentralized market making, control and cost reduction, revenue sharing. Also, you can see the rewards that they do have as well. So when it comes to decentralized market making, it's a first of its kind. VoluMint offers a decentralized AI-powered market making tool, eliminating the need for costly monthly fees, more than 5x cheaper than regular market makers, which is definitely interesting. Users can control liquidity, volume, and spread parameters, reducing market making costs and risks. All of this can be managed in the B2C dashboard that is almost developed entirely. So that comes from a cost and control perspective. Now, also into revenue sharing. Token stakers receive a share of platform's revenue, offering a passive income source. The platform has already generated considerable revenues and is in discussions with more clients. And then they also have a referral program where VoluMint's ambassador program lets users refer projects, earning commissions and reoccurring income for referrals that become clients. So it's definitely a big thing. As you can see there, you see the different pieces that it does really change for you as an investor. As you're getting into something brand new, you understand what they are bringing to the table. And here are some milestones before we get into the chart, which you probably all want to know about. You all want to know about the popularity as well as the chart and what's happening there. Here's some recent developments that they do have, just to get a sense of what they're doing. So their financial performance. In the last week alone, we have achieved a remarkable revenue milestone of $50,000, including or exclusively through centralized exchange services. They have partnerships. We recently partnered with PAL. That's a AI, PAL AI. And you have AIT, you have VRD, you have OX Gas, Guardian. So you have different partnerships and different people, different companies that they are partnering with in order to achieve their goals. Currently, when it comes to a CEX perspective, currently we are engaging in advanced discussions with 3 tier one centralized exchanges for primary listing opportunities. Additionally, they have been listed on MEXC on December 16th. So that means that as you see it at its current spot, that means that you may have more of a push based on tier one exchanges that will be listed. Now you can't go into further discussions on exactly who they are, because if you do, you wanna make sure that you have that all wrapped up before you say who they are, because usually the exchange wants to announce that first. Their platform is handling over $150 million in trading volume daily, which is huge. They pride themselves in offering services that cost 5 times lower than a traditional market maker, delivering exceptional value to their clients. We have fully operationalized user interface, providing clients with complete control over their market making activities and strategies. They have a B2B dashboard. It's set to be launched in the coming weeks. Demo even sooner. So you'll probably have that demo that comes soon. Hopefully, we get a little bit of a demo on this channel. That would be fantastic. Revenue sharing, we went through that. We have the B2C side making. And then you have MintSwap, our own DEX. So their own DEX with fees 50 to 70% cheaper than MetaMask, which again, definitely huge. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of what you really came here for. It's like, let's look through it. Let's understand, the website. You can go through all the pieces that we literally just talked about. Also, you can go into the team, right? You want to understand who the team is and the advisors. You have people that are 7+ years in development, or Web 2 and Web 3 marketing experts. So you have a lot of people that are experienced within the space. So make sure you go and check it out for yourself, familiarize yourself with them, and hopefully you'll get a lot of information just by even contacting them. I'm sure they're open to having a conversation about what it's all about. If you do go into the Twitter account, you're going to see that, they have 79,000 followers there. And their tweets, they do see a decent amount of tweets. Like you look at the pinned tweet, it has 400 or 500 likes here. They've been, working on this and just communicating with people left and right. And you do see the popularity. Again, the popularity really shows on the Twitter side. And if we go into the position itself, again, this is what you all want to see. Like, what is it all about? Currently, it's sitting at a 1.2 cent price. You do have, if we look at all the information there, you do have 600 million coins as in circulating supply, 1 billion total coins. It's currently at a $7.7 million market cap, so definitely in that range to where it can have a lot of popularity. And if it does have a glow up phase, then it gets to a $100 million market cap, $200 million market cap with, a real solid use case that is behind it. And then you start to see this really run. And again, it doesn't really have the push for all of the exchanges. Right now, it only has MEXC. So if you have talks with tier one exchanges, it doesn't mean that you'll 100% get those, pushed through and you'll have all those listings on tier one exchanges, but you may have one out of the three, which is honestly a big deal. A tier one exchange listing would be absolutely phenomenal for any project. And you would see a ton more volume that does flow through it. So again, it does create more bullish momentum within that position if you do see something like that. If we're looking at the last day, it is down 3%. If you look at the last 7 days, it's up 7%. The last month, it's down about 8%. And if we look at all history, you're really seeing that same thing, about 8%. It has fluctuated, and you're seeing that consolidation that you typically would see, within a project that doesn't have tier one exchanges yet. And I'm sure they're working tirelessly with not only tier one exchanges, but also seeing the tier two exchanges that could provide a decent amount of volume. But then looking into maybe more of those S tier exchanges that I classify as S tier exchanges. I think I'm the only one that classifies Binance and Coinbase as an S tier exchange. They're like no other exchanges that see so much more volume and create so much more hype behind the position. And if that's the case, they may be classifying that tier one exchange, which could be Binance. Again, this is speculation. Could be Binance, could be Coinbase. And you could see this absolutely push with a Coinbase or Binance pump there. So, but obviously it's more than just the pump. It's so much more than just the pump. But if you guys want to check this out for yourself, if you're interested in this project, It definitely caught my attention as I've gone through this, as this crossed my desk. Make sure you guys check out all the links down below to familiarize yourself with it. If you want to buy it, you can buy it on Uniswap. You can buy it on MEXC if you have the access to those. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links that are down below, feel free to do so for me or for VoluMint there. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.